talk about the US dollar, right? So we are going to look at the DXY, all the daily chart. I am looking at that 2000 to 2002 pivot point. Let me just show you quickly what I'm talking about on the 2 week chart. I'm talking about this key level right here, right? So let's go back to the daily chart. Actually, I'm gonna go to the 2 day chart, and the level that I'm looking for buys on the USD, because I am still looking for buys on the USD for a break of that 109 40 level, let's call it, or actually May highs, right? May 2022 highs. So let's go to the 4 hour chart, and then we're going to go to the 1 hour chart so we can find actual entries. So this is I'm sorry, this is 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. So on the 4 hour chart, what I'm looking at here is this. These are June highs. So let's plug a horizontal line. So there's two possibilities here, right? Even though I am bullish fundamentally on the USD, um, this market is bearish at the moment. The reason that this market is bearish at the moment is because price has been printing uh, new lower highs and new lower lows. But this level, right, the one that I'm talking about, June 2022 highs and May 2022 highs, this level right here is my buy. So remember that support levels are not straight lines, they are levels. So basically, buying right here and putting your stop losses below Friday's low would be burning money. What I'm looking at here is a possible open on Sunday lower, right, for you guys on Monday lower, and a rejection. I wouldn't be a real buyer until the short time structure of this market breaks. So the level that I'm looking at for a bullish continuation is a break of the 106.75 level, let's call it. And I would be very interested in deep buying around the 105 level, 105.10, let's call it, on a rejection of this lows. So there's two scenarios, right? An open lower, right, um, on Sunday, a rejection of the 105, and here I will look for an amazing risk to reward long on the USD, or some kind of a uh, tumbling market, let's call it, right, and a break of that 106.50. So what markets I'm looking to play long the USD? I haven't looked at the charts, and the USD Mexican peso, it's always the one that I'm looking at, but it looks really, really sketchy at the moment. Let's have a look at the Euro USD. Um, right, the Euro USD closed on Friday. I would say kind of a bullish, but just have a look at the forward chart, right? The forward chart shows an extremely good level for shorts on the Euro USD, which would be, in fact, a long play on the US dollar on a retest and a rejection of June lows and May lows. So a rally towards that level, a rejection towards that level, would bring an amazing opportunity for a short. And if we take an entry right at this level with stop losses above the previous highs right here, and first targets at um, last week's lows, that would yield a 3R trade. So that's what I'm looking at for next week. Of course, I am not, um, I mean, if these scenarios don't play out, I will not um, flip short on the USD. I am looking for USD longs and USD longs only. And, trade safe and have a great trading.